Hey, this is Rocket City RVer. Another little short video for you today. Still on the point of safety for the RV. After seeing that RV fire with my friend's house, I've done a number of things. First, the thing I'm doing is I'm going to add these two brand new fire extinguishers, KIDE, K-I-D-E-E. And next, I have literally just removed one gas appliance from my RV, but I still have the on-demand hot water heater, and I've got a stovetop and a furnace, so still have to use gas. And so even though I don't run down the road with my gas bottles on, probably everybody has seen these little GasStops that prevent leaks, catastrophic leaks, in case one of your lines blow off or you get one of the lines damaged from something flying up underneath and you turn it on. Or, you know, there's a possibility the line could actually burst while you're using it if your RV is a little older. These GasStops have a nice little gauge in them to help you test for leaks. You press down on this 3 or 4 times, you make sure everything's turned off inside your trailer, and then you look to see if this little needle drops down from the position where it started from. Over a period of about 3 minutes according to the instructions, but these have been here about 10 minutes, haven't moved, so I don't have any leaks. What I really want to make this video is these little pigtails here. I had just replaced the pigtails because one of these units here had broken from the original ones that came with the RV, and when I put this GasStop on here, there wasn't enough room for the cover to go on. So, or it would go on there, but it would put a lot of stress on the hose right back here where the cover went down. It literally put a whole lot of stress on that connection. I'll show you what the other connection looked like. It would literally have been like that. That was a lot of stress right there. It could have caused a leak right here. So GasStop actually sells these little 90-degree pigtails, obviously for their GasStop safety valves here. So I picked up a couple of those, put them on, and it looks really nice actually. I think it looks pretty cool. Anyway, so that should stop any gas leaks should anything catastrophic happen on the road, or just a line blow off. But just trying to improve safety of the RV. So GasStop doesn't pay me. I actually bought these units. Black Friday deal on Amazon today is $108. I actually paid more than that. And then the little stainless steel pigtails, these two pigtails were $55. So not cheap, but what is the price of safety? So anyway, just hopefully that helps somebody. This is Rocket City RVer. If you like this video, like and subscribe.